Well, we're outside the impressive Vidhan Sauda. Now, this, of course, is the seat of power of the Karnataka government. Ballari is 300 kilometers from here. But during the BJP government, it sometimes looked as if the ruling of the state was actually being done from Ballari. That was when Janardhan Reddy and his associates, that mining baron, was riding high. They were a law unto themselves, and the region was referred to as the Republic of Ballari in the Lokayukta report on illegal mining. So now what? What happens now? Janardhan Reddy is in jail. B. Sriramalu, his friend, is trying to retain the seat for the BJP. Will he be able to inherit power in the Republic of Ballari? The BJP candidate in Ballari seeking the Muslim vote. Now, B. Sriramalu's return to the BJP left that party open to several questions and criticisms. He had left it to form the BSR Congress, but he came back again and is hoping to become the next Member of Parliament from Ballari. That is his hope, and he's hit the campaign trail to try for just that.
मैं आ गया। मैं मातृपक्षी आने के लिए कोई मेरे को मुश्किल नहीं। लोग समझ से लोग का वो लोग का दिल पे था श्री राम लोरे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के रिटर्न होना।
बल्लारी में हमारे श्री रामुलु साहब जो है ना, काफ़ी लोगों के साथ उनका माइनॉरिटी से सभी लोगों के साथ उनका संपर्क संयम रहा है।
श्री रामुलु सर है ना, वो बहुत अच्छे आदमी है। उनके लिए बोलना का तो कितना भी बोलना हो तो कम ही है। उनकी तारीफ करे सती भी अभी ज़्यादा अच्छा है। गरीबों के आसमान में जान देने भी रेडी है।
Sriramalu was a key member of what was referred to as the Republic of Ballari, a name based on the power wielded by Sriramalu's close associate, Janardhan Reddy, a mining baron who is currently in jail facing corruption charges.
जनार्दन रेड्डी वो भी जेल पे है। अब इलेक्शन फेस कर रहे, लोग के पास जा रहे, लोग साथ दे रहे। श्री रामुलु आप इलेक्शन जो कुछ भी फेस कर रहे, हम आपके साथ हैं, इसलिए लोग ये इलेक्शन पे मेरे को जिताएंगे।
This old association made Sushma Swaraj tell her party not to take Sriramalu back. But despite the absence of Janardhan Reddy and lack of blessings from Sushma Swaraj, Sriramalu was considered enough of a vote catcher for the local unit to demand his return to the party.
कर्नाटक राज्य पे श्री रामुलु को तो रिकॉग्नाइज किया तो बिकॉज ऑफ सुषमा स्वराज से रिकॉग्नाइज है, इसलिए लोग समझ रहे ये देश के लिए क्या चुनाव चल रहा है। सुषमा स्वराज के लिए श्री रामुलु बल्लारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट से जीतना पड़ेगा तो उनको लोग मेरे को साथ दे रहे। कभी हम समझते मैडम को मदर को तो आप भी मदर करते, आगे भी मदर करेंगे।
Covering campaigns in Ballari city is hot work. So, excuse me for a moment. Sonia Gandhi contested from here in Ballari in 1999. She defeated Sushma Swaraj. But after that, with the emergence of the Reddy brothers, the seat went the BJP way. Now the Congress wants it back. They have fielded N.Y. Hanumantappa, former Chief Justice of the Odisha High Court. He was earlier also an MP from neighbouring Chitradurga. N.Y. Hanumantappa is from a Congress family. In 2009, Ballari became a reserved seat. And this scheduled tribe candidate contested and lost by a narrow margin of just over 2,000 votes to the BJP.
Misdeeds of BJP, both at the centre and also here. And people also have lost faith in BJP. The schemes launched by state government will definitely help the poorer section of the state. Is Sri Ramlu, I don't know whether he is powerful or not powerful. As far as I am concerned, I have got full confidence that I am going to win.
The Janata Dal Secular is also in the field.
ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಸರಿ JDS ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಜನಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಜನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನಶಿಸಬೇಕು.
Ballari is famous for its high-grade iron ore that has made incredible fortunes for mine owners. A major concern during the last 5 years was the shutting down of mines by the Supreme Court until some cleanup was done of all the illegalities. This put thousands of families who depended on mining activities through months of hardship. Mining has started again in mines that have been cleared. But for the ordinary people, despite the wealth generated by the iron ore, the issues remain depressingly the same.
ರೋಡಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ, ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ. ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರು ಸಹ 15 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀರಿಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಭಾಳ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು 15 ದಿವಸ ಆದರೆ ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ತಿಂಗಳಾದರೆ ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ನೀರು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
So who will it be this time? B. Sriramulu, linked to controversy and without the big name support he had last time? Or will the Congress be able to take back the seat that they had lost for so many years? The people here have the answer. With Alphonse Raj, Maya Sharma in Ballari for NDTV.